so beautiful.
She's like, yes!
Yes! I've always wanted to do an African safari. I was like, what do you think?
Yeah.
And she was like, I always wanted to go to Botswana.
They got us going too.
They did.
I can feel it in my bones, like, I can't do you try.
How's that?
Oh, this is much better. My name is Laura Osachek. I'm 62 years old.
I'm Sheri Hopner, and I'm 59 years old. We have been friends for over 35 years. My husband calls us Thelma and Louise.
I didn't know that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. No, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Oh, my gosh,
yeah,
that's so cute. We've been through a lot of ups and downs. Sheri's dad passed away, my husband passed away.
Yeah.
Our kids got older.
Moved
and
out,
left
left us.
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah. Baby on board. She was always encouraging me to do more travel, and I wanted to do more travel, but I was just very intimidated about the process, and the O.A.T way was the right way to do it for me. I was being exposed to things that I would never, ever have done on my own.
We experience the life through the local people, so we can't be tourists. We'll rather be travelers.
This is unbelievable.
I wanted to come to Botswana for so long. I can't believe I'm actually finally here.
Just arrived in Botswana.
And we're in a baobab camp right on the Zambezi River. We have a herd of antelope down here.
We can see Namibia across the way.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Brito Maseko. I'm from Zimbabwe. I work as an overseas adventure travel trip leader.
Oh my gosh, this is beautiful.
When people come in, I want them to realize this is home.
It's glamping at its best.
Dumela, hello.
Dumalama.
But the real purpose why we're here.
I mean, this view is amazing.
I really hope to watch elephants for a while.
We want to change your life.
I think we're gonna have good luck.
Me too.
Yeah.
That's always my goal.
I can't wait to see what we're gonna see. I really hope lions.
Maybe a leopard.
If I spot the leopard on a tree, I'll keep quiet and say, I'm giving you 10 seconds to find it. Oh, if you miss it in 10 seconds, we are moving on.
Moving on.
No, that's not fair.
Sheri's claim to fame. She's the only person who has been in both of my weddings.
Baby on his back.
Oh my gosh, yeah, that's so cute.
And we're still going.
Oh, you wear your green shirt. I wear my green pants. Twinsies.
Laura has always been my travel inspiration because when she was growing up, she lived in a lot of different countries. Unbelievable. And I grew up in the same household in the same town until I went to college. She found the O.A.T trip. She gently kept nudging, and finally I said, I think I'm ready. I see this baby is crossing the road now.
You wanted elephants, Sheri.
I got my elephants for sure.
I love removing myself from the hustle of American life. Just putting myself in this situation, I feel like, is always a growth experience. This is the first trip I had done without my husband. My husband lived big, and we had a lot of plans about how we were going to live our life together. We were supposed to retire 4 months after he passed away. My husband was definitely the love of my life. I was really lucky.
It's just inspiring that she wants to keep doing it, and you know, she's taught me to keep trying new things, going new places, and doing the things I want to do.
Even though we've been friends for so long, we're kind of like, I hope we don't ruin a good thing by traveling together for 3 weeks, day in and day out in the same room.
Yeah.
Hello, Captain.
Excited. What I learned about Sheri is that she's willing to do pretty much anything with a small nudge.
Now I'm ready to go.
I'm doing things that my dad didn't have an opportunity to do. Anyway, try not to get emotional here, but my dad passed away at 58. Missed it. And, you know, when I turned 59, I was like, oh, I officially outlived my dad. I just want to be able to do all the things that I want to do because I know there was a lot more living that he wanted to do.
It's going to be fun. My favorite part in this job is seeing travelers transforming.
So playful and fun to see them go over there, to hear the matriarch call for the others to go.
And the baby
Oh
and
my
the
gosh,
mom.
that's great.
They don't realize on day 3, day 5, day 6, you can tell people are changing. Beautiful, right?
I just feel like they are great at pulling you gently out of your comfort zone. You are taught by the guides all about this world that we live in. And the ecosystem, how everything has a role. Oh, look at you. Gave us a little teenage attitude.
They are becoming in tune with nature, the call of Africa. They are tasting our food. They are aware of where they are.
O.A.T. more than gives the locals permission to talk about their everyday life, how they feel about their politics, their economics, and their culture in a way that really has added a lot to my experience.
Meeting the people, understanding their way of life, how people live, what they value, their art. We seem very different, and yet once you sit down with someone and start talking with them, you see that we all love our families. We all want the best life we can have. We have so many similarities.
It's a lot of why I travel, because I think it will build a better world if we can stop and listen to other people.
And that's so satisfying to see. It's one beautiful goal as a trip leader that you feel I've done something.
We're not tourists anymore, we're travelers.
Anytime you travel, I just feel like it creates a real bond that you don't get in any other way. I love my buddy, and doing it with a friend is really cool for me because not having someone to share all the details as they pop in your head, it's fun to have a person that I can go back as a touchstone for this trip.
Yeah. Yeah, you probably never thought of that, huh?
No, I never did.
At the end of the trip, I have travelers opening up. Some they cry, some they give you tender hugs just to share the perspective that they would have gained.
We got this.
You are also changing our lives more than you could imagine.
Never doing it again. I'm just kidding. Sorry. Yeah, it's been very easy to travel together. If Sheri's husband lets me, I will let her be my travel partner anywhere in the globe. Yeah.
Yay! You hear that, honey?